All right, so here we have Cadillac CTS V 2016 through 2020 V-spoke and V-sport wheel. It's a rear wheel, 19 by 10, and I just want to show you how to measure the width of the wheel and show you the part numbers on the back. So this is a brand new rear wheel, and if you have a sticker like this, it comes in different colors. Sometimes it's pink, yellow, black, white, and so many different colors. And if you see that sticker, it means it's a brand new wheel and never been touched. And of course, yeah, you have to check the face and the back condition. And usually it's a brand new wheel. It comes like that. So if you want to check the part number or any kind of information that's on the back of the wheel, yeah, please make sure you have like some kind of foam or carpet available for you, so you can put the wheel face down and not scratch it, because the paint is very fragile, so it gets scratched and the clear coat may get damaged. So yeah, so the first thing what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the wheel on vertical condition, and if we have a gouge, so we're just gonna check it manually. What's the width of the wheel? It's a rear wheel and it shows 11 inch, but it's gonna be 19 by 10. So a lot of people usually measure like this, but it's incorrect way of measuring it. So the proper way is from lip to lip. So if you see the hump, the back side, the back lip of the wheel, so that's where you start measuring it. So that's the beginning point, and the ending point is over here. That's 10, right over here, right before the face lip. So this is 19 by 10. This is how you measure it. Usually it's just measured on the barrel side. So here you go, it's 19 by 10. And if you want to check the production date or imported date of the wheel, if you have a brand new one, so you can just go to the barrel and you can see the numbers over here. Alright, so this is 2015, October 27th, which is coincidentally today, which I'm shooting. It's right exactly like 5 years ago. It was imported at 1107 and to US, and they put like sticker on it over here. So yeah, so if we put the wheel face down, we cannot find any information on the spoke. So there's no information. There's no information on the back lip over here. Nothing at all. All right, so if you have particular this particular wheel, so what are you gonna do? If you put the wheel face down, you're gonna see the part number on the barrel. Here you go. Put it like this. You see, if you have a foam like this, it would be a lot helpful, because it's not gonna scratch your wheel. And you can put it like this, and you can see the part numbers over here. Okay, so it's super alloy and made in Taiwan, and you see the size is over here, 19 by 10. So you don't physically have to measure it, so you can just put the wheel face down and you can see the information, like this size, 19 by 10. And you see here, it's the offset 39 DOT, and this is a standard, international standard. And J means it's the wheel for the passenger cars. So, and this is a part number, 2294 2962, and GM logo, made in Taiwan. The date of production, it's October 5th, 2015, and super alloy. That's it. So yeah, and as I said earlier, it's better just to put the wheel face down to know the measurement, the size of the wheel. So, but if you want to check the wheel size anyways with your gauge, it's gonna show you the different number. And let me show you this. It's gonna show you 20 and a half, but this wheel is not 20 and a half. It's 19. So this is not the proper way of measuring the wheel size. So usually the best way to measure it is when you put the wheel face down. Right, but it's not gonna show you the exact number, but it's gonna be closer than the face of the wheel. So you put the beginning point on the back lip of the wheel, and you can see it's closer to 19. You see, this is actually better way of measuring it. And but it all depends on the style of the wheel, but this is the closest you can get, like if you want to measure the wheel diameter. And if you want to see the bolt pattern, you can check or measure the bolt pattern like this. You see here, this is very helpful if you want to measure the bolt pattern. You put the beginning point is got to be just in the middle of the circle, and you put the beginning point over here, and the ending point should be over here in the middle of the circle over here. So this is 4.5 over here. This is 4.5. There you go. Yeah, this is 4.5. And in centimeter, it's gonna be 5 by 120. All right, so this is how you measure the bolt pattern. And this holes are very helpful. You see, you can, so right across the line. So, and the beginning point gotta be in the middle of the circle. The beginning point over here and the ending point over here, right across. That's how you know the bolt pattern. And thank you for your attention. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like the video content, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions, I'll be glad to assist you. And if you have any recommendation how to make better videos, please shoot me a message. Thank you.